Hey guys, welcome back to GWiz Academy. So in our last video, we have seen a quick introduction of what exactly is WooCommerce and how this course is structured. We have around 10 chapters over here, and we will explore these options on how to add products, how to set up tax, shipping zones, and payment gateway integration in this course, so that we get an overall understanding of how exactly this WooCommerce works and how to manage any WooCommerce website that we come across in our careers, right? So now, before we start exploring these chapters from 3rd to 10th, we need an environment, right? We need a website where we can start working. So right now, I have this website called as GWizcourses.com. This is a dummy domain that I have, and I'll explain all the WooCommerce concepts on this website. So I'm sure you won't be having it right away. So what you need to do is, there are 3 steps that we need to do. First thing is, you need to install WordPress. Okay, so either you can install WordPress on your local computer. If you don't have any domain and hosting account, then you don't have to purchase anything. You can simply download WordPress and install it on your computer. If you don't know how to do this, I have a video guide and I'll give you the link in the description of this video. And if you have an active domain and hosting, then by now you already know how to install WordPress as well. But then if you don't know how to install WordPress, you can easily install WordPress by using cPanel account details. And how to install it, a video guide, I'll give you a tutorial link in the description as well. It's just a 2 to 3 minutes video, so you can easily watch and install WordPress and get ready, right? So we can start this chapter from here. What we will be doing, we will install WooCommerce and we will be importing sample products, right? So there are the 2 steps that we will be performing in this video. And for this installation process, you can see the link in the description tutorial based on your requirement. If you have hosting and domain, you can watch this video. And if you don't have any hosting and domain, then you don't have to worry. You can watch this another video and install and get started from here, right? Follow along. So now what I'll do, I need to first thing, once you are ready with your WordPress instance, either locally or online on a live website, what you need to do first thing is, we need to log into our dashboard. How do we log in? You just need to type wp-admin and then you enter your username, password, and log in into your WordPress dashboard. Right. So once you have logged in into your WordPress dashboard, so if this is the first time you are seeing this WordPress interface and you don't have any idea of what exactly this WordPress is and how to work with WordPress, then I have a complete free course on WordPress basics itself. So you can go ahead and watch it. It's around 1 or 2 hour course, so you can easily get a grasp of what exactly this WordPress is and how to manage this stuff, right? So, and I assume that you have some basic understanding of WordPress. And now let's get started. So the first thing is, we need to install WooCommerce, right? So how do you download WooCommerce? All you need to do is, you need to go to plugins, and in plugin, what you need to do, you need to click on add new and then search for WooCommerce. This one, right? You can install it from here. You can simply click on install now and click on activate it, just like any other plugin. But what I'll do is, I'll use this upload plugin option over here. So what I have done is, I have already downloaded WooCommerce. So how do you download WooCommerce? There is a reason why I'm using this option, because I'll explain you in a while. So let's go ahead and see how to download this WooCommerce. Just type WooCommerce and then scroll down, see for wordpress.org. Yeah, this is wordpress.org and WooCommerce. Open this link. You need to download WooCommerce from here. You can download and you can simply click on install and click on activate, but I'm using this second method, traditional method of downloading it from here and then uploading in my website by using this button, because this will help me in my next step, that is importing product sample. In that I'll get some help. So why is that? I'll explain you in a while. So now what you need to do, click on download. What I have done is, I have already downloaded it, so I'll not download it again. Once you just click on this, the download will begin, and let's open the zip file. Yeah, so you will find your, once this WooCommerce is downloaded, you will find this zip file over here like this. And then what you need to do, you need to unzip it and create this folder and just keep it as it is. So now what we need to do, we need to upload this zip file through our upload plugin option. I'll click on this upload plugin, browse, and then I'll select that zip file that we have recently downloaded. Under download section, this is the zip file, right? So click on open and install. I'll tell you why we extracted the folder as well in a while. Just wait for a minute till this WooCommerce gets installed. Perfect. So our plugin has been installed successfully. All you need to do is click on activate button and the plugin will be activated. As soon as the plugin is activated, you will find something like this. It's a setup wizard. You can skip this for now. Yeah, no thanks. Take me back to my dashboard. As soon as you have installed WooCommerce and activated the plugin, if you see your website, you will have this two option now, visit store as well. So if you click on visit site, you will have some more options on your navigation. See, you will get checkout link, you will get my account link, you will get a shop link. If you open this shop link, you might find no products over here, right? So before we explore these chapters on how to import, how to add simple product, group product, variable product, and all these things, it's better if we have some dummy products or sample products, right? It's easy to understand concepts. So you don't have to worry. You just simply have already downloaded this plugin, right? So now what you need to do, go to that plugin folder. You have extracted this folder over here. And now if I open this folder and go to this again folder of WooCommerce, all you need to do is search for a folder called as sample data. Open it and you have this third file, CSV file, right? So this is a file that we need now to import some sample products. So what I'll do, I'll go back here and to my website, and then these things we can configure later on. So now what we need to do, you have this product option here and then click on all products. Because we don't have any products, so you will find this option, right? Create a product or start an import. I'll click on start and import. I can start creating product right away, but yeah, before we start, because our shop is completely empty, we don't have any products over here. So what I'll do is I'll simply import few sample products that has been provided by officially by WooCommerce itself, right? So I'll click on start import and then here import products from CSV. Now click on this browse and then navigate to that sample product CSV file, sample data, sample products, right? And then click on open. Now you need to, once you have selected the right CSV file, you need to click on continue. What it will do is it will add some sample products to your WooCommerce store so that it looks, some sample data will be there so that it is easy to understand other concepts. Like even for me, it will be easy for you to explain, and for you also it will be easy to understand. So now this is map CSV products to, so all you need to do is scroll down and then click on run the importer, and now just wait for some time till the products are being imported. All of this will work out of the box, and then in a while you will have sample products in your store. So right now you have 25 sample products in your store, right? Now if you go back here and refresh your shop, you can see that we have successfully imported sample products. So now it is easy, and the course will also become more interesting to learn and to understand what exactly is happening, right? And what changes will affect the front end, and how does it change? How does it affect? So if you click on some random product, then this is, I guess it's a grouped product. Yeah, see, we have this zoom option and we have this select number, and then these are the products that we can select, and then we can add to cart. We got this description review option as well, and even this add to cart function will be working fine, right? View cart. So all this happened just by installing one simple plugin called as WooCommerce, and we have installed some sample products here, right? That's it. Now, by default, WooCommerce is configured to a basic level, up to certain level, but you cannot launch this website as it is, right? You need to configure it even better. You need to know how to create products manually without importing using CSV. You need to learn what exactly is simple product, group product, variable product, affiliate product, and how to set up tags, how to set up shipping zones, and how to set up payment gateways. So what we will do is, from our next video, we will start exploring all these options, and one by one we will be covering all the basics and fundamentals of WooCommerce development, right? So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have understood how to install WooCommerce and how to import sample products, and I hope you have no issues with installing WordPress. If you don't know how to install WordPress on your local computer, you can watch a video tutorial. I'll give a link in the description. Same way, if you have a hosting and domain, and if you don't know how to install WordPress on your live account, then I will give a video tutorial link in the description as well. Just watch it and install WordPress, and then you can come back and watch this video, right? So from here, we will be starting WooCommerce development actual concept explanation, and all this stuff we will explore back end of all these options, right? So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video with a product explanation. We will be learning about what are the different types of products that we can add to our WooCommerce store, right? So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.